Good afternoon everyone. Today discuss about the previous classes of designing strength of bolt. So the design strength of bolt is here in previous classes. Formula is discussed about the VTW is design strength of butt weld joint. So the VTW formula is given that of Fy divided by root 3 into Lw into Te divided by gamma m2. Gamma mw is constant of the welded joint connection. So the Te equal to 5.8 5 divided by 8 thickness into thinner member plate. Only of thinner member plate is the Te. Te means thickness of member. So the design strength of bending moment of formula is FTW. So the 1.2 into Ze into Fy divided by gamma m0. So the gamma m0 equal to 1.1. So the discuss about Ze. By the Ze formula of the Ze means section modulus of member, only of section modulus of member, and gamma m0 equal to partial safety factor for welding point. So the gamma m0 1. So the Ze formula section modulus find out the Ze is similar to that of the Zyy. So the Ze formula is db square divided by 6, माने depth into width square width in depth in square divided by 6. So the today is question of the butt welded joint is connected plate element. Both are two plate connected element. First one, two plate connected element 180 mm into 18 mm. So the is determine design bending strength of the joint. If the subjected to a moment of member is 13 kilonewton meter. So the also check about the safely joint at the shear force is given that this problem, and assume that the welded is U shape, only of U shape. So the soft welded joint. So the given data is given that is the two plate element is plate dimension B into D. So the B into D मतलब 180 mm into 18 mm. So the assume of the Fy and Fu is given that in this problem. So given that is Fu equal to 410 Newton per mm square and Fy equal to 250 Newton per mm square. So the soft welding means given is of the question soft welding joint. So soft welding is gamma mw to 1.25 this value. So the next find out of given moment. Given moment is also given that this question 13 kilonewton per meter. So the Newton mm 13 into 10 to the power 6. So the find out of factor moment. Factor moment formula is 1.5 into given moment. 1.5 into given moment 13 into 10 to the power 6 is find out the 19.5 into 10 to the power 6. So the last one is design of strength in bending moment. So the first one is design of strength. The previous formula is discussed about the FTW formula is 1.2 into Ze into Fy equal to gamma m0. So Ze equal to section modulus, gamma m0 equal to partial safety factor for welding. So the find out of Ze formula is given that of 97.2 into 10 to the power 6. So the shape is double U shape and completely penetration. So the complete penetration means Te. Thickness of plate is 18 mm. Thickness of thinner member. So the FDW, this value is the formula. Put this value in this formula. The FDW equal to 1.2 into Ze into Fy divided by gamma m0. So put this formula. This value is 26.5 into 10 to the power 6 Newton mm. So the next is 26.5 into 10 to the power 6 and 19.5 equal to design strength. So design strength is safe, but FDW is given that greater than. So the shear force is given that 200 kilonewton. So the factor shear force is including of 1.5 into shear force 200. So the find out value is 300 kilonewton meter. So the design strength is shear in find out the, but we know that the formula is find out of design strength is. Design strength is given that factor shear force. So the find out of Lw, length of the width. So the Lw VDW is given that 300 kilonewton. So Newton mm. So the convert of Newton mm 300 into 10 to the power 3. So the 250 divided by root 3 into Lw into 18 divided by 1.25. So the last one is value this LW 144.33 is less than of width B 110 mm. So the joint is safe. So the total last one LW value is given that the joint is safe. So the this question is homework of. Thank you.